All right, today we're out here. We're at the track at the racetrack. We're gonna make some passes. Let's hop back and let's get here. So before we go to the track, we gotta fix a couple things. One of those being this. So I don't know how loud that sounds on the camera, but you can see it is missing a whole piece of gasket. It's just pushed out. So gotta pop this off. New gasket on there and some new gaskets under the base of my intake. Got some RTV on there and a fresh gasket just for a little extra insurance, but I think it's gonna be good now. I'm gonna get this set back on here. Got the intake horn back on, the base with the fresh gaskets on all of them with a little bit of RTV to seal those up. Got my boost reference line back hooked up, turbo's uncovered, so I think we're good. I gotta put the springs on the blankets. And now I'm working on getting a battery cutoff switch. I've never had one, and I really think the universe just doesn't want me to have one of these. I bought a battery cutoff switch when I was doing the fiberglass doors from Tim McCamus, and somehow that just went missing. So that's sign one, doesn't want me to have one. So then I just bought a cheap one from Summit just to have one, and it's been floating around in the box for a month or so. Now I'm going to put it on, and I don't know where the end is. So that's strike two on trying to install one of these. So I gotta either find the little knob at the end or just make something work. So that's where we're at. Injection lines and everything back on, so we're good there. Got another catch can added, drained this one. So that should help with some ventilation there. And got the battery shut off here. So it is functional. So we are legal. I'm getting packed up, but we'll see you tomorrow at the racetrack. All right, one corny transition later and we're out here. We got the racetrack all teched in. She's looking good. Let's hope for some good passes. Off my back, 598, fuel only, first pass. You see that? Not a good 60 foot, but we got that 5-second pass, so now we're gonna go faster. I still got like a bouncing issue off the line. And the problem is I don't know what to do. I don't know if I need to stiffen the compression, soften it, or same with the rebound. I really don't know. So I'm just gonna leave it alone, make a couple more passes, try to get a solid, try to get it to repeat itself, and then maybe we'll start going one way or the other. So I'm gonna let it cool off. We're gonna get back out there. Pickup came off, so it wasn't charging. So hopefully we didn't strip the bulb. also stuck at the end of the track, so we gotta figure that out. But check that out. What's that say?
That says 576.
576. Now we're talking, huh? Moving. All right, well, she's still not starting, so we had to pull out here and we're gonna try to bobsled her up on the trailer. Just the two of us, see if we can do it. All right, made it back to the house and check it out. She fired back up, so I don't know what happened yesterday. I don't know if it got hot and seized up and it freed up, but I spun it over by hand this morning. It was free, and I think the battery was just super low. So put it on the charger, got a little starting fluid because it's cold, and she fired up. So I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit and see how she sounds, and at least now I can drive it off the trailer and get it in the shop. So I drove off the trailer, I got it in the shop, decided to pull it back out. I'm gonna drain the coolant, check it out. I think it's a little hurt. Once it gets warm, it's really tough to spin over, so it'd probably be worthwhile to pull the head off and inspect everything. If I need to, I may do kind of an in-frame hone, throw some new rings or something on it if, you know, I melted or stuck a ring or something. So just to get me by, I know it's pretty much junk already. I got the 6.7 in the works, so not really worried about that. But that's pretty much gonna do it for the racetrack stuff. But next week, I am super pumped because I'm going to pick up something. If you guys watch YouTube, there's another channel that already announced what I'm getting, but it's pretty sick. I'm gonna give you a hint. I already have one of these, but it's not another 12 valve. So stay tuned, check that out, and we'll see you guys on the next one.